Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have just a really quick tip. So when I'm crafting, I produce a ton of trash with my papers, and everybody probably does. And you need something that's quick and easy to use. And I used to have a little thing that would connect to my desk and held a little drink, which was fine. That worked well. But I'll tell you what, I have been using for over a year and this works really great. Bag, just a bag from my stuff attached to my drawer. So I just put it on my drawer like this, and it's right here. So when I craft up here, I can easily just open this up and throw my trash right inside. Super easy, it works well, it holds a lot, and then when I'm done, I just take this out, throw it away, and replace it with a whole new bag. And so in my head, and yours too maybe, it allows you to shop more because you need bags for trash. So if I'm run out of bags, that means I have to go shopping. Sounds good to me. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.